Hi, before we start the course, let me give you some overview and also guide you how to follow this course. See, these are the course content. I have all the list of topics given here, what all that are covered in this course. From here, you will be start learning the Python topics, right? In the beginning, in the very first section, I have given introduction to some important concepts of programming. So these are just general term, and here also you learn about the features of Python. You will understand what Python is. Okay, so this is just introduction part. Then there is a section for installation of Python and the IDEs required for writing Python programs. So if you already have Python installed, you can just skip it and go ahead. Now from here, the actual Python topics starts. That is, what are the data types in Pythons, operators, conditional statement, loops. See, all these are basic things of Python programming. So these are covered in much detail. So you must make yourself more and more perfect in this area of Python, because this is the basics of Python. Then there is a class called string. This is a very commonly used data type in almost all the programming languages. So same in Python also. So it is covered in much detail. You should learn this topic. There is a separate section dedicated for this one. A little bit of formatted printing, and this is one of the powerful topic. You should not skip this one. Then these are the advanced data types of Python. So you have a lot of things to learn here. If you know about these data types thoroughly, then you can develop applications in Python. You can develop large programs in Python. Then this is also a very important topic. There are two sections for that related to functions. So this is very much important topic. So you must be much familiar with the functions in Python. Then exception handling, this is for handling errors. Then file handling is there. Object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is supported by Python. Python is both functional as well as object-oriented. So this topic is also important. So you should go through this topic. And then these are the other modules. As you go ahead, you will learn about these things. Okay, like this is about database connectivity, multi-threading, and OS operating system module, math module, GUI programming. So many things are there. Okay, so the major part of the programming language ends here. Then these are the extra libraries that are available in Python that is used for working in different areas of programming. So let me show you further. See here, I have the list of contents. You can see that these are all the sections. There are total 26 sections in this course, right? And if you expand each section, it will show you all the lectures inside this one. So presently I am on this one. So this is the basic concepts that are discussed in this section, right? So when you're watching a lecture, you can watch the lecture here. You can watch it at different speed. And below that, if you see here, you can ask questions here. You can ask questions. So you can select question answer section and you can select the lecture. First you should select the lecture, as you say current lecture. Then if anybody have already asked question from this topic, from this lecture, you can see their questions and answers here. So first select this and see already if anybody has asked the same question that you're asking, and if so, you can find the answer there itself. So if this question answer doesn't help you, then you can type your own question and ask a question here, right? So whenever you have to ask question, ask here in this question answer section. And there are other more learning tools provided by Udemy. You can explore that. Like you can take notes, and you can also use other learning tools and all. So just explore these things. So for asking questions, use this one. All right. So follow the sections in the same order, whatever the order is given. So I have given you a little bit overview of the course and also explain you how to navigate through this course. So in the navigation part, the most important thing was how to interact with the instructor. If you have any questions, so you can ask question below the same video itself. So that's it. Now go ahead and continue with the next lecture and learn about some terminologies, then start learning Python.